What if everything you thought you knew about money was wrong? What if the very system designed to control your wealth, to dictate your financial future, was about to be fundamentally rewritten? For centuries, money has been tangible. Coins, paper, gold, controlled by governments, banks, and powerful institutions. But a silent revolution has been brewing, a digital uprising that promises to put power back into the hands of the people. A revolution so profound, so disruptive, that it's already reshaping economies, creating new millionaires, and challenging the very fabric of global finance. Yet for most, it remains a mystery, shrouded in complex jargon and sensational headlines. They tell you it's too complicated, too risky, too volatile. But what if understanding this one concept could unlock a future of unprecedented financial freedom and opportunity? What if ignoring it is the biggest mistake of your life? Welcome to Crypto Knowledge 05. Today we're pulling back the curtain on the most misunderstood, yet potentially most powerful financial innovation of our time: cryptocurrency. We're going to break down the complex into the simple, demystify the jargon, and show you exactly why this digital money is not just a passing fad, but the foundation of a new global economy. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to solidify your understanding, by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear picture of what crypto is, how it works, and why it matters to your future. So buckle up. The rabbit hole goes deeper than you think. To truly grasp cryptocurrency, we first need to understand the problem it set out to solve. Think about traditional money. When you send money through a bank, you're not actually sending physical cash. You're sending a digital instruction. But who verifies that instruction? The bank. They are the central authority, the middleman. They control the ledger. This system, while familiar, has inherent flaws. It's slow, expensive, and prone to censorship. Your money isn't truly yours. It's an entry in a bank's database. And in times of economic crisis or political instability, that trust can be shattered. We've seen it happen countless times throughout history. Hyperinflation, bank runs, governments freezing assets. People lose faith in their money, and with it, their financial stability. This is where the idea of a decentralized digital currency was born. A currency that doesn't rely on any single bank or government, currency where transactions are verified by a network of computers, not a central authority. Currency that is transparent, immutable, and resistant to censorship. This was the vision that led to Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, launched in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was a response to the 2008 financial crisis, a direct challenge to the traditional banking system. And it introduced a groundbreaking technology that underpins almost every cryptocurrency today: the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger, a giant, unchangeable record book. But instead of one person holding this book, millions of copies are distributed across computers all over the world. This is, in essence, a blockchain. When a transaction happens, say you send 1 Bitcoin to a friend, that transaction is grouped with other recent transactions into a block. This block is then cryptographically linked to the previous block, forming a chain of blocks. Hence blockchain. What makes it revolutionary? 2 key things: decentralization and immutability. Because millions of copies exist, there's no single point of failure. No one entity can control or alter the data. If someone tries to change a transaction in one block, all subsequent blocks would also have to be changed, and all copies of the ledger across the network would have to agree. This is virtually impossible, making the blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. Every transaction, from the very first Bitcoin ever sent, is recorded and publicly verifiable, yet your personal identity remains pseudonymous. It's like a public diary where everyone can see the entries, but no one knows who wrote them. While Bitcoin pioneered the concept, it was just the beginning. Today, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique purpose and technology. These are often called altcoins, alternatives to Bitcoin. The most prominent among them is Ethereum. It's launched in 2015. Ethereum introduced a game-changing concept: smart contracts. Think of a smart contract as a self-executing agreement. It's code that runs on the blockchain, automatically executing the terms of a contract when certain conditions are met. No lawyers, no intermediaries, no delays, This innovation opened the floodgates for an explosion of new applications built on blockchain technology, leading to entire new sectors within crypto. Decentralized finance DeFi. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading, but without banks or financial institutions. Imagine taking out a loan, earning interest on your savings, or exchanging currencies, all directly with other individuals through code, not corporations. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item. Whether it's digital art, music, virtual land in a metaverse, or even real-world assets, it proves scarcity and ownership in the digital realm, something previously impossible. Stablecoins. These are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, usually pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar. They offer the benefits of crypto: speed, low fees, without the volatility, making them ideal for everyday transactions or as a safe haven during market downturns. The biggest misconception about crypto is that it's just for speculation, a digital casino. While price volatility is real, the underlying technology blockchain is solving real-world problems right now. For example, supply chain management. Companies like Walmart are using blockchain to track products from farm to shelf, ensuring authenticity and transparency. Imagine knowing exactly where your food came from, verified at every step, cross-border payments. Sending money internationally through traditional banks can be slow and expensive. Cryptocurrencies offer near-instant low-cost global transfers, benefiting remittances and international trade. Digital identity. Blockchain can create secure, self-sovereign digital identities, giving you control over your personal data and who accesses it. Gaming and metaverse. Play-to-earn games and virtual worlds are leveraging NFTs and crypto to create true digital ownership and new economic models for players. Now, let's be clear. Cryptocurrency is not without its risks. It's a nascent technology, and the market can be highly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods. Regulatory uncertainty is another factor. As governments around the world grapple with how to classify and oversee this new asset class, security is paramount. If you lose your private keys, you lose your crypto. And scams, unfortunately, are prevalent. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. However, the potential rewards are equally significant. For early adopters, cryptocurrency has created unprecedented wealth. Beyond financial gains, it offers financial inclusion, bringing banking services to the unbanked globally. Decentralization of power, shifting control from centralized entities to individuals. Innovation, fueling a new wave of technological advancements in various industries. Transparency, creating more honest and auditable systems. So, what does the future hold? Experts predict 2025 will be a pivotal year for crypto. We're seeing increased institutional adoption, with major banks and corporations integrating blockchain technology. Bitcoin ETFs are making crypto more accessible to mainstream investors. Regulatory clarity is slowly emerging in some regions, which could bring more stability and confidence to the market. We're also witnessing a surge in real-world asset tokenization, bringing traditional assets, it's like real estate and art, onto the blockchain, making them more liquid and accessible. Many analysts are bullish, predicting new all-time highs for major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The narrative is shifting from pure speculation to utility and adoption. The focus is now on how blockchain can truly revolutionize industries, not just create digital money. The lines between traditional finance and decentralized finance are blurring, and we're moving towards a hybrid financial system where both coexist. We've covered a lot today. From the fundamental problem with traditional money to the revolutionary power of blockchain, the diverse crypto universe, its real-world applications, and the exciting future ahead. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital cash. It's a movement towards a more transparent, equitable, and decentralized financial system. It's a technology that empowers individuals and redefines ownership. The question isn't if cryptocurrency will change the world, but how quickly and what role you will play in this new digital economy. The information is now at your fingertips. The opportunity is here. What will you do with it? If this video helped you understand cryptocurrency better, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Crypto Knowledge 05 for more in-depth insights. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. And tell us in the comments below, what is your biggest takeaway from today's video? And what crypto topic do you want us to explore next? Your journey into the future of finance starts now. Don't get left behind.